how to uninstall Valorant completely. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you on uninstalling Valorant completely. First thing that you need to do is to exit Valorant if you haven't closed it yet. Then you will have to close Riot Client by clicking this one to show hidden icons. From here, right-click Riot Client, then click on Exit. After that, press Window key on your keyboard or search over here, Add or Remove. Then click on that. On the search box, you need to search Valorant. Then click on the three dots over here. You will then see Uninstall. Just click on that, and the Valorant will now uninstall to your computer. Now you will see that it will now proceed to uninstalling. Next thing you have to do is delete all the Valorant files on your local device. Just go to your File Explorer and navigate to this PC and navigate your Riot files. Over here, just delete the Valorant file. Then to make sure, go to your search bar over here and search run. Type this. And then click OK. Over here, find Valorant folder, then delete it. There you have it. Well, that's it for today's video. For more videos like this, make sure to click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time!